I have been coming to this church since 1940s, and that takes me back to my grade school days. My grandfather came here in 1935, and he and his wife were very active members. Now, St. John's Church is physically beginning to show signs of its 100-year-old history. And so as evidence, we're going to take you for a walk around St. John's and show you how our plan for revitalization and renewal and rebuilding this historic church is beginning to take place. Let me show you first the foundation. Here we have evidence of the old stone foundation from 100 years ago. You can see that the mortar is drying out and the stones are beginning to fall out of the foundation, which is now weakening the basic undercarriage and structure of the church. The church is basically on the road allowance of the Fox Point Road, and the ravages of time, including the sharp blade of the snowplow, have taken their toll on the foundation.
I am amazed that this church has stood the test of time so well. Almost 110 years now, and it is in such incredible condition that it will go from year to year being used, and I'm so encouraged by that I'm very optimistic about our ability to restore this church, to fix the foundation, to set it for another 100 years, because this building is, like the people around it, very strong and very dedicated.
So we need as many people as possible who have any interest at all in this church and what it means to them and their families to help us raise the money to continue this revitalization and restoration project.
I love St. John's. This is a beautiful church. I grew up in small churches, and so I have a real love for small churches and the communities and the families that rally around them to keep them restored and keep them whole and keep them in their midst as a beacon in the community.